Hello everybody, welcome once again to Nox Asian Recipes. Today, her homemade sweet and sour sauce. This sauce is going to require tamarind, which needs to be soaked in water. The tamarind pulp, you'll soak it in water and then filter out through a strainer to get the essence of the tamarind. That's the base of this sauce. And we're going to add a little salt to that. Dissolve all the ingredients in there. Brown sugar, probably about a half a cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon or so of salt, a little paprika for a little bit of punch and color from the paprika. Continue to dissolve all of these ingredients well into the tamarind juice. And we're going to add soy sauce to this one, about a cup and a third or something like that, a little more than a cup. Now vinegar and cornstarch. So the vinegar is going to be used to dissolve the cornstarch instead of water because the vinegar will give it a different kind of sour together with the tamarind and also helps to preserve this sauce. It's very convenient, as you'll see that Noc likes to do. She'll store this sauce and use it for different recipes. Today she'll be showing you one recipe. But to continue making the sauce then, once we've dissolved all of our ingredients, put the rest of the vinegar in there. And we're going to cover this and cook it on low heat. No need to boil this. We're not really trying to cook it. We're just trying to finally dissolve all the ingredients together, get the flavors to combine, make it a little bit thicker with the starch in there, get the starch working, and then we're ready. We can let this sauce cool down. And what she'll do is she'll store it, as I said, in a bottle. It lasts for several weeks, probably more than a couple of months, even at room temperature. So today we're going to use it for rice noodle soup. We're going to use some tofu skins and some rice noodles, which need to be soaked in water for about 15 to 20 minutes before they're used in the recipe. These are Noc's own tofu skins. If you haven't seen her video on tofu and tofu skins, check it. Here's all the ingredients you're going to want to have for the soup. The first thing we're going to do then is dice up the tofu skins after they've been soaked. Dice them up a little fine, and these are all the other ingredients you need for the soup. We can go ahead and start heating up some water. We're going to boil our carrots in there together with our tofu, firm tofu that is also homemade. This tofu has already been pre-cooked a little bit with some soy sauce, that's why it's dark. Let's add our tofu skins into the mix as we start to heat up the water. Let's bring that one to a boil. Add a little more salt for flavor. And finally, our Chinese cabbage. It's kind of like pak choy, but not exactly pak choy. You can substitute any sturdy green vegetable that you want. Cabbage, Chinese cabbage, pak choy. Little white pepper for a little spice in there. And now we're just going to continue to cook it. It doesn't have to cook very long after you add the cabbage to it. Now we're going to prepare our noodles. So in a frying pan with a little oil, our garlic and our onion. Just crystallize them, cook them up a little bit. No need to brown them or anything like that. And then we're going to mix our noodles right into there, our pre-soaked rice noodles. And our special sauce. This is the sauce, Noc's super convenient homemade sweet and sour sauce, which will last a long time and can be used for many recipes. And we're just going to mix the noodles around so they get the flavor. And you can add some more sauce as you desire. The idea is to give it a little color as well. Not only the flavor from the sweet and sour sauce, but get those noodles a little dark color as we mix them in with our garlic and our onion in the frying pan. And when the noodles are ready, then we can put some in a serving bowl. And we're ready to put our mixture, our vegetable mixture, on top of this. So we hope you can make this sauce and enjoy it in many recipes. And we hope that you enjoy these rice noodle dishes. And if you like this, please subscribe and comment and share. Thank you.